Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very innovative course which is going to help you so much with your prelims preparation. Guys, today on 2nd of February when I'm recording this course, it is only 122 days left to your UPSC prelims 2022. Okay, and I'm very sure you all are working very hard for your preliminary exams. You're reading all the recommended sources. So at Sunya, we are always very much worried about your preparation, and this is one of the most innovative courses that we have come up with, something that will really help you with your prelims preparation. We are going to help you revise the entire syllabus of polity through MCQs. Okay, let us see what all we are doing in this course. So here I have told you what is the reference book, Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant sir. Guys, this book is one of the most recommended books when it comes to UPSC examination. Okay, also for state services, M. Lakshmikant sir's book is considered as one of the benchmarks, and it is recommended by 99% of the toppers, aspirants, mentors, teachers, institutes, anything, right? So this book, why is it important? Because it gives you concepts, okay, plus it gives you details, and UPSC makes you, okay, apply these concepts, and by the application of these concepts you will be able to solve the MCQs correctly. So this book is the basic book that you're supposed to refer. Now guys, when you read something, okay, the retention level is quite low. You would have revised it 3-4 times and you could retain a lot of information now. But when you practice something, okay, then the retention power goes higher. Like if you're solving MCQs, okay, you will understand that what you are supposed to remember from this concept, how you are supposed to apply this concept. And UPSC basically asks these kind of questions when it comes to polity. And polity का जो क्वेश्चन कितने नंबर के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड, इज यूजुअली कांस्टेंट. You are getting fairly 10 to 15 questions every year from this subject, and इसमें ज़्यादा डेविएशन नहीं होता, ज़्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं होता, डिक्रीज नहीं होता. And this is one of the subjects where you can score well if your concepts are clear. So let me tell you about this course, what we are going to do here, guys. We have given you 400 plus MCQs which are divided chapter wise. So we will help you understand the concepts of every chapter, and अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ साथ हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको एप्लीकेशन भी समझ में आ जाएगी. The questions that are framed are very much UPSC level, so it helps you understand what types of questions can be asked in the exam, so you can practice similar type. So उसी लेवल के क्वेश्चन, उसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ जाएंगे, तो इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू टू अप्लाई योर नॉलेज एंड रीच द करेक्ट आंसर. आज वीडियो में एक दो हम लोग एग्जाम्पल्स भी देख लेंगे. डन. So you will understand the type of questions are being asked by UPSC. Also, we will teach you tips and tricks, that how to reach a correct answer, how to apply your elimination method, what other types of grammatical sentences are formed which are correct, incorrect, वो सारा चीज़ डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड वी विल इंश्योर दैट आपका पूरा एम लक्ष्मीकांत जो है वो कॉन्सेप्चुअली क्लियर हो जाए, आप उसके कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अप्लाई करके MCQ सही से सॉल्व कर पाए. चलिए देखते हैं. आई हैव पुट पिछले साल के UPSC CSC प्रीलिम्स 2021 के 2 MCQs मैंने रखे हैं. So this was the first question of the D paper, D section. Under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates what concept? So अगर आपको right to equality, right to freedom और concept of welfare पता होगा तो you will be able to easily eliminate these two, है ना. प्लस DPSP जो है उसमें directly concentration of wealth is mentioned. So if you have understood the concepts, resolving these kind of questions by using the elimination method becomes very easy. And these are your low hanging marks which you can score very easily. और ये जो कोर्स है इसमें यही आपको अच्छे से याद रह जाएगा. Another question, what is the position of right to property in India? Okay. So let us see what does the option say. Legal right available to citizens only. Okay. fundamental right available to citizens only, neither fundamental right nor a legal right. Okay, so we have to understand first of all what is a fundamental right. Rights given to us in the constitution from article number 12 to 35. Okay, they come under the header of fundamental right. Now, right to property. Okay, it was listed in 19F and article 31, but with the 44th amendment it was shifted to article 300A and was made a legal right. ठीक है, अगर आपको इतना कॉन्सेप्ट पता है, सो आप क्या करोगे, यू विल स्ट्रेट अवे एलिमिनेट दिस ऑप्शन, you will also eliminate this option because you know it is a legal right. Now your chances of getting the MCQ correct has increased multifold. Now let us see, legal right available to any person or citizens only. Now when you know कि ये आर्टिकल में क्या टेक्स्ट लिखा है, okay, is a legal right available to any person. That is what the constitution says. अगर आपने यही conceptual level पे यही तरीके से प्रैक्टिस किया है, then you will be able to eliminate this one also, and you will be able to reach the correct answer quickly in a few seconds only. So this is exactly what we are going to learn, how we are going to learn things, and उसके साथ साथ सारी चीज़ें डिटेल में डिस्कस करते जाएंगे और पूरा बुक आपका रिवाइज हो जाएगा, एंड MCQ पॉलिटी के सॉल्व करना आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. सी गाइज, यू आर सब टेस्ट सीरीज बहुत करते हैं, लाइक एक महीना बचेगा ना, तब तो बच्चे रोज एक पेपर हर एक टेस्ट सीरीज का करते जाएंगे. इनिशियली दे स्टार्ट विद टेस्ट सीरीज ऑफ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, बट आई वुड से दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू बिकॉज यहाँ पे आप चैप्टर वाइज, ठीक है, टॉपिक वाइज अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करते जाएंगे और आपका जो पूरा सब्जेक्ट है वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप बहुत अच्छा फॉर्म होता जाएगा. यू विल बी एबल टू इंटरलिंक कॉन्सेप्ट्स, यू विल बी एबल टू अप्लाई कॉन्सेप्ट्स, और योर the strike rate, or you can say the percentage of getting an MCQ correct will drastically increase after doing this course. So guys, that's it from my end today. I hope to see you all in this video series. Do like the video, share the video, subscribe the video, and this particular exercise we are not just going to do for Indian polity, but we are going to do for all the subjects. So modern history आपका आ गया, environment and ecology, art and culture, geography, Indian economy, ancient and medieval history, current affairs, all the subjects we are going to cover in the same manner through 3000 plus MCQs. यहाँ पे breakup दिया हुआ है, you can see that, and you can register on suniaias.in. And there's a prelims test series का tab रहता है वहाँ पे, and you can enroll in it. You will get the questions, you will get the solutions, and we are there to explain you everything via videos also. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like it, share it, subscribe.